day after. But he's leading the very powerful Zimbabwe delegation to this conference. The Iran-Africa conference is a brainchild of Iranian leadership. They want to expand their reach in Africa in search of markets, but most importantly, it's a statement to say the global South should come together, should work together, should cooperate, and try and neutralize the hegemony of the Western countries, which you are all aware, the United States, the EU, the transatlantic community, which has been overacting in terms of oppressing, in terms of suppressing the developing countries of the world. So the Iranian overtures into Africa and the general global South, in the South, including Asia, Latin America, the president has been there in all those regions, is to try and say, let's come together, let's cooperate, and come up in our numbers as a strong force in the emerging multilateral dispensation in this world. Importantly, is that Iran, in this conference, wants to make a statement to say, we need to be independent, we need to self-capacitate, we need to assert ourselves. It has demonstrated that by coming up with a multitude of innovations in agriculture, in technology, in the arms industry, in drones, which we all know, which allegedly have caused some havoc in some conflicts in the world. But that is a result of innovation.